get down like
been a lot of back and forth over this and that, so I don't kick the bubble no more, I just get a fact. Listen, pimpin', let me tell you what the business is. Y'all enough, I'ma tell you what the difference is. See, we old school, you just old new. We used to move blow, and you just blow, dude. See, we the talk of the town, me and my whole crew. You run around town, gossip like the whole dude. See, you name drop when nobody knows you. We get them lanes out our section like we told to. My crew, we caught the Bentley, Brooklyn, and the road too. You give her roses, I'm the one she bring the rose to. So you say you shining well, I guess I'm shining more. So high up I'm soaring, 30 and I'm like a dinosaur. Carnivore, meat eater, G's they respect. Me to you like comparing a vet to a cadet, nigga.
we don't get down like
Nope.
I fall, I do, you talk, I'm real, you flow. What's a nigga, we don't get down like y'all. Suck a nigga, we don't get down like y'all.
Don't call it a comeback. Again, ride being from the Fed pen. Pull up on them suckers, pop the trunk and tell them get in. Thought I lost a step with guess again. Back the ball and getting bread, bringing checks in. Yeah, like we did on my lag cake. I show you how to make a blessing out of bad break. Hey, let me set you niggas ass straight. Hold up they clothes back. Listen up, fag babe. Them hot pants bad for your prostate. Lime green, hot pink, a drag queen, hot date. The stores asking for the same size bitches buy. They say it's hip, but where I'm from, we call it 65.
We don't get down like
Nah.
y'all. I fall, I do, you talk, I'm real, you flow. What's a nigga, we don't get down like y'all. Suck a nigga, we don't get down like y'all.
Hey, before us there were none. After us, no more there ever be. This the greatest show on earth you ever see. I still do it for my niggas in the streets, getting to it, blowing money like my nigga Big Meats used to do it. Say we blowing money bad, big on money bad. 300-400 cash just to make them sucker mad. Back in the saddle, the winner of every battle. Been the best since I was rapping in a rattle. Word travel. As you comment on the rumors or what have you, beware, dude. Prayer can't prepare you. How dare you? Disrespect my presence, peasants, I will tear you. A new one, I poop on your egos and move on. Rolls Royce backseat, no great coupon. A Trudon, 3-piece Paul Smith suit on. Peons, see it ain't no neon in my new ones. Hear the truth on every song I spew on. Blah.
We don't get